Hi there! In this video I want to show you the DBJourney Essential first generation laptop sleeve 16 inch. As always, the packaging arrived very well and without any damage. The laptop sleeve in this video is designed for the 16 inch MacBook Pro and comes in a blacked out color. On the website, DBJourney offers other sizes and materials. For example, a deep blue color and a leather look. My first impression was the good quality of the sleeve's material. The sleeve is made entirely from recycled materials. Although many of the bags from DBJourney have a laptop compartment, there are times when I need to bring two laptops. One personal laptop and one for work. This sleeves make that possible as it fits into my 26-liter Kamp Pro, also made by DBJourney. The look of this sleeve also matches almost all the other first generation products from DBJourney. The fabric on the inside has a nice soft finish and looks very protective. It's nice stitched and finished with a metal buckle. My 16 inch MacBook Pro fits perfectly, and with the quality of the material and metal buckle it feels well protected. A nice extra feature is this ability to charge the laptop while it's in the sleeve. Thanks for watching the video.